Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Dietitian Ishita Kaul. I'm a holistic health coach specializing in female wellness, and I'm also a business coach for dietitians, yoga instructors, and health coaches. So, my journey with Healthify started about 2 years ago when I found myself falling in love with naturopathy, the power of nature, and the incredible effects it has on our body. And I must say, the journey has been truly enriching. The kind of support, the kind of encouragement, the kind of everything that a person is looking for in a mentor that I received from them was beyond words. One of the biggest challenges when I started my journey was that I didn't think I could charge even 5,000 rupees. That was something which was something, अंदर से आवाज आती थी कि 5,000 रुपए कैसे I can charge from a person when I am also not even ready to spend that kind of money. So that was the time when I realized, when Healthify made me realize that, you are providing so much value to other clients, so many patients. So that's when I realized that no, charging 5,000 or charging much more beyond that was not about, the money. It was more about truly valuing yourself. So that's where my journey began, and Healthify has really helped me with it. Beyond that, I would say the biggest learning that I've had is investing in your own self, learning how to, take charge of your own life. And truly, Healthify has really helped me in shaping the kind of person that I am today. And the biggest message that I would like to give to the community is that really invest in yourself. Really, not just money wise, not just monetarily, but spend time with yourself. Invest in time. Focus on your work, and just focus on one line of action which you think you truly need to master or be an expert in. And I am 100% sure you will be able to, crack the kind of money you want to earn, the kind of clients you want to serve. My journey started with earning 2,000, 3,000 rupees. And when I started charging 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, that was only possible because I believed in myself. I had a mentor. So I hope this message inspires you to take the next step in yours. Thank you.